eWealth app. The pros, the cons. eWealth is an investment platform designed to simplify portfolio management while offering tools for long-term growth. But does it deliver on its promises? Starting with the pros. First, diversified portfolios. eWealth offers pre-built portfolios based on risk tolerance, helping investors balance growth and safety. Second, automated rebalancing. The app automatically adjusts investments to maintain your desired asset allocation, saving you time and helping reduce risk. Third, retirement planning integration. You can track your retirement goals alongside other investments, giving a comprehensive view of your financial health. Now, the cons. One limitation is fees. Management fees can be higher than some discount brokers, which may impact returns for smaller accounts. Another drawback is customization. While automated portfolios are convenient, advanced investors may find limited flexibility to select specific stocks or sectors. The surprising truth? Many people overlook automated rebalancing, but it can have a profound impact on long-term growth by keeping portfolios aligned with market changes without requiring constant attention. In conclusion, the pros: diversified portfolios, automated rebalancing, and retirement planning make eWealth ideal for hands-off investors seeking structure. Cons: higher fees and limited customization suggest it may not be optimal for those who prefer full control over every investment decision.